As with any clock, before you take it apart, I suggest that you take pictures. I already did that on this clock. First, next step that we got to do is take these little clips off. These little E-clips to get to take the snail off and the rack. There's a small E-clip right here on the rack that has to come off. And once you get that off, you can take the rack off and the snail. The snail should have came off, but the lift lock lever might be in my way, so I'm going to take the E-clip off, which is on the inside plate right here. I'm going to take that off, and it just fell on my floor. Take the cam off. And I just bent the arbor that the cam sits on. And that's a first for me. Hopefully I can straighten it out. But there's the cam. For some reason, the snail don't want to come off. Taking the rack lift lever off. I've never had a clock. I see why the snail don't want to come off. There is a clip right here holding it on. Not a clip, but a wire. There's a hole in the minute arbor, which has a small wire in it. And once I take that piece of wire out, I could take the snail off and the minute pinion. and the lip lock lever. Now it's time to take the nuts off. I have a wrench right here to take these nuts off. No, I don't. Wrong size. I prefer using a socket versus a pair of pliers. A pair of pliers could damage the nuts. Got my plumbing fixture here, so I could take this off. I'm going to be gentle in taking it off, if I can take it off. Because you want to take pictures or a video of how to put everything back together. And this is the arbor that I bent that the cam goes on, so hopefully I can straighten that out. There's a bunch of hair on this shaft, but I'm going to take a rag and wipe this off, and then put it in my cleaner, and we'll come back to y'all in the next video after I got it out of the cleaner. Again, I hope y'all are liking this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.